What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brown with the RC Supremacy. I do appreciate you guys tuning on in to another video. Today, we're going to be working on the Real Grade AE86. It's a Pandem. It's a 240 millimeter wheelbase. So it is what Real Grade stands for, appropriate to its size in scale, and it's a little shorter. We're looking forward to it. It's primarily an all paint body with the exception of some decals that were added after the protective film was peeled back. I think it turned out good. I want you to let me know down below what you think about it. Tell me what I could have done different, if I need to change up the wheels and you know, get a different look on there. I like the inch down, but yeah, let me know. I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday season. Make sure you spend it with family, friends, take a lot of photos, drink a lot of beer if you're of age, eat a lot of turkey, the whole 9 yards. We appreciate everybody's support and got a lot of cool stuff in the pipeline. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and let's go. Oh, really quickly, I want to let you guys know, if you or any of the bros are trying to lock in on some imports and get discounted rates along the way this holiday season, we got you over on the website. We have a lot of 30 and 50% off items through Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the whole weekend of let's go.